Hello everyone, welcome to flowindata channel, and today we are going to finish our tuple topic. Okay, so let's start. Now, unlike list, tuples are immutable, and immutable means that items in a tuple cannot be updated or deleted. So there is no updation or deletion of items in tuples. Okay, and also you can't add elements to a tuple because of their immutable property, but we can delete entire tuple. Okay, so let's see how we can delete the tuple. So we have this tuple 1. Okay, so to delete the tuple you need the del statement. So just write del and then followed by the name of the tuple. Okay, so this will delete the whole tuple. So this is the end of tuple, and in the next video we will start the set. Thank you for being with us. See you in the next video.